Hey, what's going on, Trap Watchers? Today is the last day of July 2021. We are here to provide you a price update in the market for Grab. It's been a while, so I wanted to come in and show everyone in our community where we are expecting the market price and the graph to go. So if today's your first time ever seeing our video and our content, make sure before you go, hit that like button, share it, also subscribe here to the channel. This is what we do. This is what we're about. We're about ensuring we are in position to win and wherever the price goes, right? We're predicting price movement so that we can beat the trap at his own game. So if you guys want to learn more, if you guys want to at least have the heads up as to where we're anticipating the price to go, make sure you follow us. Just that simple. So take a look at graph right here. I wanted to show you what has been the performance in the market for graph since our last video, which was done on June 27th. So it's been a month since we did a price prediction in the market and graph. And you guys can tell we pretty much played the strength into the market and graph. And we also told you that we really wasn't expecting too much in terms of price movement for this currency. And look at it. It just traded sideways for the most part, right there smack dab in between our two lines drawn on our chart. That's a pretty good call, right? Not bad. So let's go ahead and take that prediction off the chart and let's see whether or not graph is going to maintain this ability to trade sideways, or at least can we move somewhere else different? Because when you see a market trade sideways this long, it gets boring, right? It shows you that there's no volatility into the space. The market is just stagnant. So let me take this off. Overall, yeah, you could have got 22.37% out the market for graph, even up there at our ultimate restriction point, which we identified on our video. That is where the market found restriction and we came right back down. It's not a coincidence. Everyone can do the same thing. You don't have to be literally confused and inundate your mind with so much pointless information and technical indicators. That's about 49% increase from when we did our price prediction in graph on June 27th. So 49% or 22. Good call. So now let me take that away. And this is the last day of the month. So we can actually now look at the monthly time frame in graph to see, okay, what are we looking like at least from a monthly perspective, and look at it. What do you all think? Take a look at the month of July right here. What do you think happened over the last 31 days into the market and graph? Do you think we're going to go higher? Do you think we're going to go lower? Do you think we're going to trade sideways? Those are the only three options we have every time we look at the markets. The price can only go those three ways. So which one do you think likely based off what happened the last 31 days in the market for graph? Do you see any strength on the chart here? Because I don't. There's no strength here into the market and graph right now. So at least from a monthly perspective, I'm not expecting this price to give us a breakout in the sense that we can see the price hit, $1.20, $1.40 in the next month for the month of August. Can we see the market and graph continue to trade sideways? Yes. Can we see the market and graph continue to go lower? Yes, because we are already in a downtrend. But it's good to see how the market and graph has sustained the pressure of going lower for the month of July. So pretty much I'm still eyeing the price and graph to maintain its consolidational trading. Okay. Let's take a look at the market and graph on a 3 weeks time frame. And you guys can pretty much see here that we are getting a probable precursor of strength. That simply means over the next 3 weeks, the next 3 weekly price bar, this market has to close above this one, because if it does, then we're going to continue to inch our way higher back up towards this restriction point of 80 cents and then even $1. Okay. Next thing I wanted to show you is that looking at the volume on this current 3 weekly price bar, which we got a day and 9 hours left, but the volume is lighter than what we've seen on the previous 2 or 3 weekly price bars. That is indicative that the market is not overly bearish, that the market weakness is almost evaporated, that is almost gone and out the way. So that can actually give us some hints that the market price and graph may actually go higher. But again, only within our consolidational range. Check this out. So this is the trend. This was the trend in the market and graph, right? This should have told you on a 3 weekly time frame that the price got rejected on that ascending line and we were going to continue to go lower in price. So again, that's why I'm not overly bullish into the market and graph right now. It is what it is. The market does not want to go higher at this point in time. Take a look at the market and graph on the weekly. So how do we look right now on the weekly? We look pretty decent. One thing I'm going to do, I'm going to extend out these lines because the market definitely is maintaining that, which in a sense is positive, right? I don't want you all to be, all bogged down and negative and sad because graph is not going higher in price. Just for us to see this price hold this and maintain this trading range is a very good signal. It's a very good indication that the market is getting out the way those who were trying to sell their graph tokens. Okay, so that's still good. Let's look at the market in graph on a 3-day time frame, and here we are. I mean, the market here is non-volatile. Okay, so if you're one who's looking for volatility, this is not it. This currency, this market is not that place right now. We're not seeing a lot of volatility coming to the market and graph right now. It's stable, it's calm. So if you just want to scalp it, if you want to do a day trade, yeah, you can, because I don't see anything too big coming into the market and graph here, right? So all in all, what we're looking forward to into the market and graph is pretty much for it to do the same thing. Trade within its range, right? Just continue to trade sideways. There's not a lot here going on. Like if you're one of those calm individuals, this would be the market for you right here because there's no volatility in this space right now. The trap doesn't want to move the market here. But let me tell you this, looking at the chart, looking at the graphs, the market strength is still here too. So I'm still going to push for market movement higher in graph. But again, I'm not going to be one of those hype boys that's out on YouTube just trying to tell you that these prices are now going to catapult you to being a quadrillionaire, right? That's pointless. Even though I'm going to anticipate the higher price movement, let's be real, right? Let's be honest with one another and just simply say that the price in graph, we're going to expect the market to go up maybe towards 70 cents, back up there towards 80, right? So our first area TP and graph would be around 70 cents. That's still 12% profitability in the market, right? We could take that off the space and be content and be happy with those profit, with those gains. And then I'm going to extend it back up there towards 80. I'm going to fall a little bit lower though. Right there towards 73, 74 cents is the ultimate area that I'm looking for the price in graph to go. Just that easy. Okay. So now let me take this back over to the daily so we can keep track of it. Now 40 cents is support. Okay. But seeing how the market and graph came and sustained that price right there around 50 cents, I'm going to keep it there too. That's it. So we're here. Again, we're still expecting the market in the graph to trade sideways. But again, within that, we got what, 70 cents first as the first place to take the profit, take the bag. And then the second area is around 73, 74 cents. And that's it. Nothing hard, nothing complicated. Be careful of anyone that is confusing you. They're speaking out of both sides of their mouth. They're telling you that it could, maybe, it might, if this happens, if that happens, what if, it's probably, most likely, I don't know. Don't take this as financial advice. Those individuals, be careful. All right, so this is what we're looking forward to right here. So now it's your turn. You're on our team. We are collaborating. Drop your comment in the comment section and tell everyone what is your price prediction for graph over the next 3 weeks. Okay. In 3 weeks, let everyone know where you are expecting the price to go. It's just that easy. Join our team. Make sure you hit the like button, share the video, also subscribe to the channel. And as always, make sure you maintain a profitability. I'll see you all on the next one. Peace.